Loewe Amazona 19. This one is year 2021. Ang color is Lagoon. Comes with care booklet, with dust bag, padlock, and with strap. So missing yung kanyang susi. Last time nakabenta kami ng ganito, brand new condition. So this one is the front. Ganda ng front. That's the padlock. Okay, the side. This is the likod. And then other side. Ayan yung kanyang logo. Bottom of the bag. And then the corners, meron lang signs of usage. Corner 1, corner 2. Pero walang labas piping. Corner 3. And then corner 4. Tapos the handles, kabilaan buo ang rubber lining. Maganda rin yung condition of the handles and the strap. Kabilaan buo yung rubber lining. Gold na gold pa yung hook. Adjustable ang strap. Tapos loob ng bag. Yan, yung loob ng bag. And then, ganyan siya. Ang ganda oh. Amazona 19.
Yan, dito kinakabit yung strap.
Yes, doon yung kabitan ng strap.
So, ganyan.
There, ganyan yung size niya.